Hello and welcome back. And now we're going to focus on using the direct comparison strategy to solve a subtraction problem. So we have Erica's Chromebook, which is 24 centimeters in length, how long it is, and Jamal's laptop is 18 centimeters. So we could, number one strategy that you could use is that you could look and see the space that this section right here, the space that it takes to go from 18 to 24. So how much more do you need to add to reach the number 24? So you can use the counting on strategy starting at 18 and counting up until you reach 24. So that's one strategy, finding the space within. And then another strategy you can use is finding the difference. Finding the difference. Now, when we talk about difference and subtraction, when we are using math, difference means to subtract. Difference means to subtract, finding the difference. So you could maybe count backwards from 24 until you get and start at 24 and count backwards 18 until you reach your number. Or you can use a number of strategies. You can use an open number line. You can use a tens and ones chart. So let's use a tens and ones chart really quickly. We're going to make a little mini one. So we have our T representing tens and our O representing ones. Now remember, in subtraction, when you're using a tens and ones chart, you are not going to record both of these numbers. You're only recording the largest number, and that is the number in which items are going to be. That is where you're going to be taking your number from. Okay, so we have 24. We're going to subtract 18. So we know we have 110. So we're going to subtract 110. Let's change the color here. Subtract 110. Okay, and then 8 ones. But there are only 4 ones. What am I going to do? So this is where you're going to take one of your tens and you're going to rename it into 10 ones. And we're going to draw the ones in sets of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're renaming this 10 into 10 ones. So now it's no longer a 10. It is broken into 10 ones. So now you can subtract 8. So let's subtract. Let's change the colors one more time so that it is clear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see how many ones remain. We have the original 4 and then 2 more. So we know that, and let's write the problem here, 24 minus 18 equals 6. And that is your answer. Okay? So again, you're using the direct comparison strategy when you're comparing two objects, how much longer one object is than the other. We're also using the finding the difference, and we're using the tens and ones. So we're using a variety of strategies. Again, you can also be using the counting back or the counting on strategy. The sky's the limit when it comes to subtraction. All right, looking forward to your great work.